Hello to everyone. Welcome back to Maths Fundamentals. We are continuing the geometric construction, and today we are going to construct geometric figures using the measurements that you may be given or angles that may be given to you in a question. Okay, so we have the first question there to say we construct the triangle DEF in which FE is equal to 10 centimeters, DEF is equal to 38 degrees, and DFE is equal to 95 degrees. So let's go ahead and start drawing EF, which is 10 centimeters. So from here up to here, that is 10 centimeters. This is E. This is F. Then the question says from DEF, the amount of turning here has to be 38 degrees. We know here it is 30 degrees, here it is 35. So if here is 35, then 36, 37, 38. And draw a straight line cutting through that point. Okay, something like that. Then from D to F, turning going to E is 95. So the turning is happening at F. So we have to measure 95 degrees. From there, I'll measure 95. Here I know it's 90. So here, that's where 95 will be. I'll mark that. And draw a straight line cutting through that point. Okay, now the next question is asking us to construct a triangle, PQR, in which PQ is equal to 10 centimeters. PR is equal to 7 centimeters and QR is equal to 8 centimeters. So I'll get my ruler, 10 centimeters. So and then from P to R is 7 centimeters. So I'll use my compass. Then I'm going to construct an arc, something like this. This arc contains all points that are 7 centimeters from P to R. What about Q to R is 8 centimeters. So I'll measure 8 centimeters, something like this. I lock my compass. Let me remove my ruler now. Then put it there. So from this point, we want to draw an arc which has points that are 8 centimeters from Q to R. I'll draw a straight line. Where those arcs cross each other, that's where those sides meet. You are done. This is R. The last question is asking us to draw a parallelogram. Some say a parallelogram. We are given that parallelogram where AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So I'll start with the easiest. Okay, and B to C, somewhere this side, is 5.3 centimeters. So I'll get my ruler and measure 5.3. Get your compass. Compass, the one that helps us draw lines where you are not given an angle. So I'll draw an arc of points which are 5.3 centimeters from B. Okay, so let me just do that. And that's where C has to be, okay? And I've said angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees. From A to B turning going to C is 60 degrees. So I'll get my protractor. So 60 degrees is here. I'll mark there. And draw a straight line passing through that point, okay? Now remember, a parallelogram, all the sides are running parallel to each other. So BC and AD, they are parallel to each other, okay? Which means the amount of turning is the same. So this angle here going to D, the other one this side, has to be 60 degrees or so in order for it to lie well or to stand well the way BC is standing, okay? So that's how we are going to find out about the line AD. I'll get my compass and also again draw another arc here. Draw another arc here of points that are 5.3 centimeters from A, because that's when AB and DC, they'll be parallel. That's why the name parallelogram. Then I'll get my protractor. If we are measuring from this side, it has also to be again 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees is somewhere there. From here up to somewhere there. Where these points cut, I'll join now this side. Then this one now comes to B. Are you able to see now that DC and AB are parallel? And you are done. Thank you. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss about how now to draw points that are equidistant to the angle or the side, find the region which is closer to that, or such kind of exam question. Thank you so much for watching.